Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start this process by confirming where you are. Check Settings Update and Security Windows Insider program to see your ring and build. Once done, make a file backup and create a restore point so you can recover if needed. Next, sign in with an administrator account, and if BitLocker is enabled, suspend it now to avoid encryption interruptions. These immediate steps reduce risk and let you proceed without setup delays. You should now turn off Insider updates. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and choose Windows Insider Program. Select Stop Getting Preview Builds and pick whether to unenroll immediately or after the next major release. Make your choice based on rollback needs. If the option is grayed out, you can use the registry method or recovery options to leave. Make sure to follow prompts and restart when asked, because changes only take effect after a complete the process by restarting and letting Windows Update apply the change. Then confirm under Settings that you're no longer receiving preview builds. If you need to revert to a stable public build and the OS supports it, use the Go Back option within 10 days or restore from your recovery image. If updates stall, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and reset update components. These steps resolve most stuck transitions. Finally, re-enable BitLocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.